Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 nutrient-rich plants that can help reduce swelling naturally. If you've been looking for natural ways to combat inflammation and improve your health, you're in the right place. These plants are not only easy to incorporate into your diet, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to reducing swelling and promoting overall wellness. Inspired by Dr. Eric Berg's focus on nutrients, we're aligning this with Farm Pro's gardening theme. We'll explore how you can grow these plants in your garden and the incredible health benefits they offer. From turmeric to spinach, these plants are not only great for your health, but also a joy to grow. So let's get started on this journey to better health and well-being. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these nutrient-rich plants will be a fantastic addition to your garden and your diet. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these amazing plants and discover how they can help you reduce swelling naturally. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties thanks to the compound curcumin. This golden spice has been a staple in both culinary and medicinal practices for thousands of years, particularly in South Asia. Its vibrant color and potent health benefits make it a unique and valuable addition to any diet. This bright yellow spice, often used in curry dishes, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is revered for its ability to balance the body and promote overall wellness. It's not just a spice, it's a powerful tool for health. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation at the molecular level. This means it can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to many serious health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards better health. It's a fantastic plant to grow in your garden, not only for its health benefits, but also for its vibrant color. The bright yellow flowers add a splash of color to any garden, making it both a functional and aesthetic addition. Plus, growing your own turmeric ensures you have a fresh supply on hand. Growing turmeric is relatively easy. It thrives in warm, humid climates and can be grown in pots or directly in the ground. Even if you don't have a large garden, you can still cultivate this beneficial plant in containers on your balcony or patio. The key is to ensure it gets plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Turmeric plants need about 8-10 months of frost-free conditions to mature, so it's important to plant them in the right season. Regular watering and occasional feeding with organic fertilizer will help your plants thrive. Once harvested, you can use the fresh root or dry it to make your own turmeric powder. The process of drying and grinding the roots is simple and allows you to have a homemade additive-free spice. Fresh turmeric can also be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is simple. Add it to soups, stews, smoothies, or even tea. Its slightly bitter, warm flavor pairs well with a variety of dishes, enhancing both taste and nutritional value. You can also make a soothing turmeric latte, often called golden milk, for a comforting and health-boosting drink. The health benefits of turmeric go beyond reducing swelling. It can also improve brain function, lower the risk of heart disease, and even help prevent cancer. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has the potential to improve the pathological process of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, it can enhance the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, which is crucial for heart health. By growing and consuming turmeric, you're not only taking a step towards reducing inflammation, but also boosting your overall health. This versatile spice can be a key component in a holistic approach to wellness, supporting everything from digestion to mental clarity. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make? Whether you use it in cooking, as a supplement, or grow it in your garden, turmeric offers a wealth of benefits that can enhance your life in many ways. Embrace the power of turmeric and discover its potential for yourself. Ginger contains gingerol, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This compound is what gives ginger its distinctive spicy flavor and its powerful health benefits. This spicy root has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. From ancient Chinese medicine to Ayurvedic practices in India, ginger has been a staple in traditional healing. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, is responsible for much of its health benefits. It has been studied extensively for its ability to reduce inflammation, and combat oxidative stress in the body. It's a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to reduce swelling naturally. Adding ginger to your meals can enhance flavor while providing a natural remedy for inflammation. Growing ginger is quite straightforward. It prefers warm, humid conditions and can be grown in pots or directly in the soil. Even if you don't have a garden, a sunny windowsill can be a perfect spot for a ginger plant. Make sure to plant it in well-drained soil and provide plenty of sunlight. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater as ginger roots can rot in overly wet conditions. Ginger can be harvested after about 8 to 10 months when the leaves start to yellow and die back. This indicates that the roots have matured and are ready to be used. You can use fresh ginger root in your cooking or dry it to make ginger powder. Drying ginger is a great way to preserve it for long-term use, ensuring you always have some on hand. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy. Add it to stir-fries, soups, smoothies, or even baked goods. Its versatility makes it a valuable ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes, or even make ginger tea. A warm cup of ginger tea can be soothing and is an excellent way to enjoy the health benefits of ginger. The health benefits of ginger are extensive. It can help with digestion, reduce nausea, and even fight infections. Ginger is particularly effective in easing morning sickness and motion sickness. By growing and consuming ginger, you're not only reducing inflammation but also supporting your overall health. This humble root can be a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, offering both culinary and medicinal benefits. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and swelling. This enzyme is particularly effective in breaking down proteins, which can aid in digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Pineapple is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body. Bromelain has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even speed up recovery from surgery or injury. Studies have also suggested that bromelain can help alleviate symptoms of sinusitis and arthritis, making it a versatile natural remedy. Growing pineapples in your garden can be a rewarding experience, and you'll have a fresh supply of this nutritious fruit. Imagine stepping into your garden and picking a ripe pineapple, knowing it's free from pesticides and chemicals. Pineapples thrive in warm, sunny climates and can be grown in pots or directly in the ground. They are relatively low-maintenance plants, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. They require well-drained soil and regular watering. Ensuring that the soil is neither too dry nor too waterlogged is crucial for the healthy growth of pineapple plants. It takes about 18 to 24 months for a pineapple plant to produce fruit, but the wait is well worth it. Watching the plant grow and develop over time can be a fascinating and educational experience. Once harvested, you can enjoy fresh pineapple or use it in various recipes. From savory dishes to sweet desserts, pineapple adds a unique flavor and nutritional boost to any meal. Incorporating pineapple into your diet is simple. Its versatility means it can be used in a wide range of culinary applications, from breakfast to dinner. Add it to smoothies, salads, or enjoy it as a snack. Pineapple's natural sweetness makes it a perfect ingredient for refreshing beverages and light, healthy meals. The health benefits of pineapple go beyond reducing inflammation. Regular consumption can contribute to better skin health thanks to its high vitamin C content, which promotes collagen production. It can also boost your immune system, improve digestion, and support overall health. The antioxidants in pineapple help protect your cells from damage, while its fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy digestive tract. By growing and consuming pineapple, you're taking a delicious step towards better health. Enjoy the journey from garden to table and savor the numerous benefits this tropical treat has to offer. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and have strong anti-inflammatory properties. These small, vibrant berries are a powerhouse of nutrients that can help reduce swelling and improve your overall well-being. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly anthocyanins, help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Growing blueberries in your garden is relatively easy. They prefer acidic soil and plenty of sunlight. Blueberry bushes can be grown in pots or directly in the ground. Regular watering and mulching will help keep the soil moist and acidic. Blueberries typically produce fruit in the summer, and you can enjoy fresh berries right from your garden. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a breeze. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, salads, or enjoy them as a snack. The health benefits of blueberries extend beyond reducing inflammation. They can improve brain function, support heart health, and even help manage blood sugar levels. By growing and consuming blueberries, you're making a delicious and nutritious choice for your health. Spinach is loaded with nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium, which have anti-inflammatory effects. This leafy green is a versatile addition to your diet and can help reduce swelling naturally. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, while magnesium plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation. Growing spinach in your garden is simple and rewarding. It prefers cool weather and can be grown in pots or directly in the ground. Spinach thrives in well-drained soil and requires regular watering. You can start harvesting spinach leaves as soon as they are big enough to eat, usually within 6 to 8 weeks of planting. Incorporating spinach into your diet is easy. Add it to salads, smoothies, soups, or sauté it as a side dish. The health benefits of spinach go beyond reducing inflammation. It can improve eye health, support bone health, and even boost your immune system. By growing and consuming spinach, you're making a nutritious choice that supports your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening and health tips. We hope you enjoyed learning about these top 5 nutrient-rich plants that can help reduce swelling naturally. By growing and incorporating these plants into your diet, you're taking a step towards better health and well-being. Let us know in the comments which plant you're excited to try. We'd love to hear about your gardening experiences and how these plants have benefited your health. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on gardening and natural health remedies. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, your health starts in the garden. Happy gardening and stay healthy.